This is Tier 3, Lesson 5, Factoring by Grouping. So this is where factoring by grouping is going to get a little crazy. So we've got multiple variables. We got 3 different variables here. So I'm going to have to play with the order a little bit. So if I look at these two, I can't factor out any x's, y's, or b's. And if I look at these two, I could factor out a b, but that's not going to match. So I need to switch my order up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my commutative property, and I'm going to put these two together and say 21xy plus 14xb. And now I'm going to write this one third and this one fourth. So I've got minus 18by minus 12b squared. And now I want to factor out the GCF of each. Well, 21 and 14, I could divide out a 7. So 21 divided by 7 gives me 3. And 14 divided by 7 gives me 2, so plus 2. Then I could factor an x out of both. And then I'm stuck with the y and the b. Now let's do the same thing to this one. Well, notice this was positive and these have a lot of negatives, so I'm going to factor a negative out. 18 and 12 are both divisible by 6, so I'm going to factor out that negative 6. Well, 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. Yay, that matches. Okay, negative 12 divided by negative 6 gives me positive 2. Hooray, that matches as well. Now I can factor a b out of both, right? I have a b here, and this is b squared, which is b times b. So what's left is a y and one more b. And now it matches, so I can factor out that term, thank goodness. So 3y plus 2b, and then what's left over here is 7x and negative 6b. So completely factored is 3y plus 2b, 7x minus 6b. Okay, that's pretty extreme, so the main idea is you're going to have to play with the order a little bit so you can do your grouping.